Hello everyone, welcome back to Crescent Arts. Today we will be unboxing a LED panel light kit, which has a 4-star rating on Amazon, which actually is packed with a lot of features like it comes with a remote control as well, ultra thin and more portable, light stand compatibility, it can be used both horizontally and vertically, and so on. So let's get started. So this is how the package will look like. Let us just open this up and check what we will be getting. As you can see, I have ordered this package from Amazon. This is actually a combo pack of the light as well as the stand. There are other variants and combos as well. I will leave a link in the description below, so if you want to buy, check them out. As I have mentioned, this is a combo kit of light and a stand. So, inside this actual Amazon packaging, we have got two individual boxes. One for a light panel, which is nicely bubble wrapped to avoid damages in transit, and the other box contains the metal stand. Let me keep this box aside. Now, let me remove these internal packaging boxes and wraps so that we can have our actual products. Well, this light kit is wrapped with a lot of bubble wrap, which is a kind of nice thing because we can be assured that it does not get any kind of damage while in transit. Also, the stand is packed inside a box which is of high quality. Finally, these are our products. Let us now have a closer look at the light panel. This is how the product box looks like. As I have mentioned before, it is nicely bubble wrapped, so we can see no damage on this box. On the front side, there is a picture of the product itself and the model name and some features. On all sides, we can just see a title, camera light, and it contains 8K lights. And finally on the back side, we can see its applicability like live stream, photography, portrait, studio, etc. and input output details and so on. Moving further, let us open this box and check for the package contents. Here we go. We are given a thank you card from the company, which also contains contact details. Next, we have a user's manual with all the details like product description, how to use remote control, other features of remote control like the description of buttons, and a few warnings. That's it. It is really good to see two AAA batteries coming out of the box, which are needed for the remote control. Keeping them aside, we can also see a mounting tool, which is packed individually. It is strong and flexible as well. Let us now open this. It can also be used to adjust the direction of the light. See, just by rotating this little knob over here, we can adjust the direction so easily. And tightening the knob will fix that position. Here we have the remote control, which is also packed individually. As we can notice, it has a plenty of options to set brightness, choose between temperatures and so on. It is made of durable plastic and it requires two AAA batteries to work, which are provided in the box itself. We are also provided with a quality certificate which states it passed the test, which indicates it is durable. Here we have the LED light panel with an attached power cord which cannot be removed. On the back side, again we can see the model name, input details, etc. Also, there are a lot of heat vents for the heat dissipation, which is great to see. Like, it produces vast amount of heat, so this is really needed for this. There is also a power on-off switch included in the power cord. So these are all the package contents we will be getting in the light kit. Let us now open these batteries and install them to the remote control. Of course, this is the easiest part of the setup process. Let us now have a closer look at the stand. This comes with a bag to easily carry the stand. This is really portable. We can see two holders as well as a sling style holder for carrying this comfortably. Let us now unzip this bag. Well, it is also wrapped with a plastic cover to avoid any kind of dust particles on the stand. Let me just bring it out and keep the bag aside. As soon as we remove the plastic cover, we can feel its quality. It is really strong. We can discuss more about this stand during the setup process. In order to set this stand, pull out these legs, which acts as a kind of safety mechanism, and then open this lock or a hinge in order to set the height. There are 3 layers of hinges or locks for this stand. This stand can be extended up to 9 feet long. After getting your desired length, do not forget to lock the hinge so that it will be steady enough, or else it will be toggling. The next step in the setup process is to fix this mount to the stand so that we can actually fix this or mount this panel to the mount and we can fix the position as desired. For that, we need to remove this rubber tip on the stand where we will be fixing the mount. In order to fix this mount, we can clearly observe a screw hole to fix this mount to the stand. Place this mount on the stand and just rotate it. Now we need to mount this LED panel to the mount. If we notice, this LED panel is having screws or placeholders on both sides, so that we can actually use this LED panel both horizontally and vertically. Now, after placing this, we can just use the knob to fix this position. So, this is how we are fixing this LED light to the metal stand. This is horizontally placed. We can also use this in vertical angle. For this, you can use the placeholder on the other side. Mounting this LED panel to the metal stand is really easy. As we are done with the setup process, let us just test whether it is working or not. Well, this is working, but let us use this on a product on table. So I am going to test this on the product box itself. Let me just click on off buttons. Yeah, those are working fine, and the red button is also working similar to on off button. These arrow marks are being used to adjust the brightness of the light, and the center button is of no use as per my knowledge, and the auxiliary button is also not working as expected. But these CT minus and CT plus buttons can be used to set the temperature. That is, we can choose between cool or warm. So this is how it is working. The light is pretty much bright and it is perfect for YouTube video content creators, photography and other content creators online. This product also comes with various combo packs. That is, I have bought this a combo of one light and one stand. Other variants available are one light kit with boom arm, two light kits with stand, three light kits with boom arm and many more. This product is also having a lot of features like direct socket power light. It comes with remote control. It can be placed vertical and horizontally, light stand compatibility, soft and uniform, no glare, ultra thin that is more portable and many more. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe and share this video.